Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Today it has come in Enod also. The Supreme Court clearly held that the sexual enhancement drugs, that too made of natural herbs, they do not come under Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985. It has come in Telugu also. So please remember, NDPS Act does not attract for the so-called sexual enhancement drugs which are made herbally. This was declared or decided in the case of Bharat Chaudhary versus Union of India. You can see the citation in Live Law 2021 SC 733, decided on 13th November 2021, wherein the Honorable Supreme Court of India granted bail to the accused, which was dismissed by the High Court. Actually, the trial court gave him the bail, but High Court, it's an erroneous order, dismissed the bail. Now he has come to the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court granted him bail. You will appreciate the facts if you know the case details. So it so happened that on 18/10/2019, the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence, Chennai, on receipt of credible information, they conducted raids at four the so-called transport offices in Chennai and seized 1,37,665 tablets weighing 9 kg. Right? They are described as psychotropic substances. Actually, they are tablets which enhance the sexual potency, made of herbal. Right? On receipt of information, Director of Revenue Intelligence, they conducted the raid and says at the big hall. Right? So they arrested one Raja Shikhawani or somebody. The case registered Raja Chandrasekharan Desi or some name, I am not confused. Raja Chandrasekharan Desi. Right? So he was the proprietor of that DHL Express, and they have conducted raids on Messrs. SIT couriers, like that. So now they registered a case. DRI, Director, they registered a case under different sections, 22 Clause C, 25, 28 and 29 of the NDPS Act. And of course, they also registered case under Customs Act. Our main concern is regarding the NDPS Act only. Right? Now these people, the courier people or transport people, when they were examined, they have given a clear best of confession that these were sent to them by Mr. Bharat Chaudhary of Jaipur. So at Nagpur, I'm sorry, he is from Nagpur. So actually the first arrest was on 18/10/2019, but later on 16/3/2020, lot of maybe around 5 months time is there. Then only they conducted raid on the residence cum office of Bharat Chaudhary, and they seized some incriminating material. Of course, here remember, no NDP, no the so-called tablets of this type were seized from him. They seized certain incriminating material, so he was also sent for remand. Right? On 2/11/20, that is maybe after 8 months or so, so he was granted bail by the EC court, Chennai. They granted bail to Bharat Chaudhary as he was not found in possession of any tablets or any narcotic psychotropic substances, and no contraband was recovered from him. Right? And actually the court commented, delay in seizing the so-called incriminating material led to the so-called release on bail. Now the government, DRI, they took it very seriously, and they approached the Honorable High Court of this Bombay High Court. Right? Sorry, they have approached the Madras High Court only. Right? So in the meanwhile, the tablets were sent for the so-called test report. The forensic expert, they have conducted analysis and they stated that these tablets, they are only sexual enhancements drugs made of herbs, and they do not come under the purview of either narcotic drug or psychotropic substances. But still, the High Court did not agree for the release because Customs Act is there. Whatever it is, High Court has dismissed the bail. Ultimately, Supreme Court, in its vision, they placed reliance on Tufan Singh versus State of Madras. So please remember, which says a confession recorded under 67 NDPS Act, it was held to be inadmissible. You know, there is a provision to record the confession under section 67, that too by officer of and above the rank of superintendent of police, but still it is inadmissible. Right. Therefore, the High Court cancelled the bail, but please remember, Supreme Court in its wisdom clearly noted that what are they? They are only enhancement drugs. So just like you use onion in food, it is definitely it is useful for sexual enhancement like that. So it cannot come under narcotic drug or psychotropic substance as stated by the forensic expert also. So therefore, since if this case does not come under NDPS Act, definitely bail should be given to him. Right? So 3 points are important. Number 1, no material like the same tablets were seized from his house. Number 1. Number 2, these tablets are not psychotropic substances. Number 3, the High Court made a scathing remark on the trial court, which is not correct. So ultimately, he was granted bail. So actually, people are under the wrong impression that these sexual enhancement drugs should not be sold. Here, another third point is, it's not a commercial transaction. Right? So these things, keeping into consideration of these things, they were given bail. Very good judgment. Bail order. That too, this was decided by none less than the Chief Justice of India, Sri N.V. Ramana, then Suryakant and Hima Kohli. They observed that sexual enhancement drugs do not attract the provisions of the NDPS Act. Please read the judgment and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.